All right. All right. For this assignment, you're going to need to complete a monthly typing test. So instructions are up here. If you want to click here for an example to see what mine looks like, feel free to do that. Okay. So first thing you're going to do is you guys have 4 different typing links here. You need to click on these links. You need to take those tests, and then you need to use your screenshot tool to paste what your results look like in this box. Okay. Then you're going to write your accuracy in your words per minute for each one of those tests. When you guys are done, it should look something like this. So once you're done with that one, you're going to come down here. You're going to add up all your words per minute in from this column, okay? So you're going to add all those numbers up, and then you're going to divide it by 4. So if you look at my example here, I've taken all these numbers in this column. I've put them here. The total was 269. Then I took 269 and divided by 4 to get 67.25. Then you're going to come down to the last box and you are going to write a brief reflection. An example might be this month I typed 67 words per minute. Next month I want to type 71 words per minute. Okay, as simple as that. Then once you have all this filled out, you're going to open up your portfolio. You should have a blank typing page on your portfolio. If you don't, you need to add one. That page, what you're going to do is you're going to come back to your results. You're going to scroll up here. If you can't see them all, zoom out to about 75%. Use your snipping tool. Take a snip of your table. Go to your portfolio. Click once. Control V or right click and paste. Just Control V. And then make it a little bit bigger if you want to. Then on the right side, you're going to double click to add a text box. And you're going to write today's date. You're going to say words per minute average equals, I'm going to check back on my results here, 67.25. And then you're going to write your goal for next month. Or actually, since you've already written it, all you have to do is copy and paste it in there. Control C, Control V, and then you're done, okay? You guys are going to do this once per month. Then you're going to hit publish. Hit publish again to save the changes. Copy this link. Go back to Schoology. And then you're going to hit the turn in button over here. You're going to hit turn in, and then you're going to hit submit, and then you click on the second tab that says create. Hope this helps.